Hello nurses, you are watching Scientific Medical Nurse YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to discuss Rguhs Applied Psychology most important questions updated video for 2026-27. 100% question will be coming from this video only. As you can see the proof as of my previous important question video at right this time frame. As you can check, I was listed these all questions and these all questions as appeared in Rguhs Psychology exam. As you can check the question paper date and video uploaded date, all of my predicted questions as appeared in exam. So for this time also my predicted question will 100% come in Rguhs exam. So without delay, let's start the video. So firstly, let me introduce myself, Pradeep Unison. I am a BS nursing graduated and currently working nursing tutor in one of the Rguhs affiliated college in Bangalore. With my 2 years of experience, I can predict or guess what type of questions will be asked in upcoming Rguhs BS nursing exam. Since from 5 years, I am regularly uploading Rguhs nursing important questions, and all of my important questions has appeared in Rguhs nursing exam. As you saw the proof already. So based on Rguhs previous data, previous question papers, and as of best of my knowledge, I have prepared and listed this all Rguhs applied psychology important questions on unit wise to get Rguhs applied anatomy, physiology and sociology 2026 updated important questions, and Rguhs nursing solved question papers, and Rguhs nursing exam tips and tricks for BS nursing first sem students, and all of these BS nursing first sem videos you can watch with the link in the description. So now the psychology important questions are listed based on unit wise and based on 10 marks, 5 marks and 2 marks questions. So firstly we have long essay part unit wise questions. After this short essay, short answers, and lastly I also prepared MCQ important questions. So watch this video completely. Skipping this video directly affect your scoring marks in exams. And also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also visit my official website to get all BS nursing notes, study materials just for free with high quality notes and Rguhs nursing solved question papers. Also track Rguhs nursing exams live with our Rguhs calendar page that shows how many days are remaining for your exams, how to prepare for exams. So after watching this video, don't forget to visit my official website.